Welcome to Hiru Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make this beautiful earring with you. We will first of all see the required things to make this. I'm using 100% cotton yarn, .25mm crochet hook, two hoops, diameter is 3.5 centimeters. We need 14 beads. I'm using wooden beads. Two hook ear wires, two open jump rings, we also need a needle to hide the tails, plier to attach the hook ear wire, and the pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, take your hook and secure that by bending it like this. Then take the yarn and start with a slip knot. Then keep the hook like this and yarn over, pull through the loop. Again, insert the hook into the hoop, yarn over, pull through the hoop. Now you have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet, and then we will do the second one. Insert the hook into the hoop, yarn over, pull through the hoop. Now you have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have completed two single crochet around the hoop. Just like this, we need to make 28 single crochet around the hoop. Altogether there should be 28 single crochet. Now I have completed 28 single crochet around the hoop, and then we are going to attach the wooden beads into this. Now flip your work and keep it like this to attach the bead. Take your bead and insert it to the hook like this. Then pull the loop through the bead. Then insert the hook into the fourth stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. then it looks like this. Again, take another bead and insert it to the hook. Then pull the loop through the bead. Then insert the hook into the fourth stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Like that, I'm gonna attach all 7 beads. Now I have attached all 7 beads to the hoop. To finish the round, chain 1, pull the loop and cut the yarn. You can use your yarn needle to hide the tails. Now we will attach the jump ring and the hook ear wire like this. I hope you will like the video. If so, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.